Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove a pull request in GitHub. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to remove a pull request in your GitHub, all you need is a GitHub account and your GitHub app. So simply tap open your GitHub app from your home screen. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on repositories. Once you are here, under your repository name, click on pull request. So once you tap on the repositories, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the pull requests. So once you are in this kind of interface as well, you need to now click on the pull request you would like to close. Simply select one and you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So simply scroll down below and right besides the comment section, you can find an option called close pull request. So simply click on close pull request and you can also optionally delete the branch. This keeps the list of branches in your repository tidy. So this is how you can simply remove pull request in GitHub. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.